In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move money from crypto to PayPal via your bank. We'll walk through selling your crypto for traditional currency, withdrawing that cash to your bank, and then moving it into PayPal. Before we begin, make sure you're using a reputable exchange that supports fiat withdrawals in your country and that your accounts are verified. Expect fees at each stage and be aware of local regulations and taxes related to selling crypto. First, sell your crypto for fiat. Log into your exchange and choose the trading pair that matches your coin and your local currency, like BTC to USD or ETH to EUR. Decide how much you want to sell and choose an order type. A market order sells immediately at the best available price, which is fast, but can experience slippage if the market is volatile. A limit order lets you set the price you're willing to accept, which can reduce slippage, but may take longer to fill. Review the estimated proceeds and fees, then confirm. If you're selling an altcoin that doesn't trade directly against your currency, you might first convert it to a major coin or a stable coin, then sell to fiat. Wait for the order to fill and for your fiat balance to appear in your exchange wallet. Next, withdraw your fiat to your bank. Go to the fiat wallet or balances section and choose withdraw. Select your bank account and your preferred method, such as ACH, SEPA, faster payments, or a wire transfer, depending on your region. Ensure the name on the bank account matches your exchange account to avoid rejections. Check minimums, maximums, and fees, and note the estimated timeline, which can range from minutes to several business days. Some exchanges place short holds on newly deposited funds, so if you can't withdraw immediately, that's normal. Enable two-factor authentication before confirming to keep the transfer secure. Finally, transfer the funds to PayPal. In your PayPal account, open your wallet and make sure the same bank is linked and confirmed. Choose Add Money or Transfer Money, select your bank, enter the amount and confirm. Standard bank to PayPal transfers can take a few business days, while instant top-ups, where available, may charge an extra fee. If your region doesn't support adding money to your PayPal balance, you can still link the bank and use it as a funding source for payments without moving the balance over. That's the full path from crypto to PayPal via your bank. Take your time at each step, double-check details, and keep an eye on fees and processing times.